coconut shell carbonization furnace. We use the basket to help in the loading. Vertical furnace use inner stalks in the outer stalks. Electric hoist will put in the materials into the outer stalks. We are testing the machine for talent customer. Each inner stove they have their individual cover. We have other options for tighten the cover. We use the sand or soil to seal the gap. We use liquid gas to preheat up the furnace. After 2 or 3 hours, and we can get the flammable gas. At 150 centigrade, we can get the wood vinegar, and we collect from here. At 350 centigrade, we can get syngas from the material carbonization. After a while, the syngas recycled gas is producing a lot. So the main heating fuel is from the syngas recycled from the system. After carbonization finished, we could cool down the charcoal and take out the charcoal. This is QHL1, so it's 1 outer stove, 3 inner stoves, hoist crane, and electric hoist, purification system, draft fine. If you're interested, this is the smaller one, so don't hesitate to contact him for your solution. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.